आई फील ये जो सेवा साहस और संस्कृति है इट्स वेरी इंटेग्रल टू आवर एग्जिस्टेंस। कण कण में वो है। और जो आज का जो शो है इट्स डेडिकेटेड टू द सेम। आई एम सो हम्बल्ड एंड ग्लैड दैट आई बीन अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस लवली इवनिंग। और एक चीज़ अगर मैं कहना चाहती हूँ तो वो यही है कि ज़िंदगी में बहुत उतार चढ़ाव आएंगे। दिल बी लॉट्स ऑफ अप्स एंड डाउन्स। Just don't lose your ground during your downs. We never know what's going to happen next, but always have hope. That's the only way to live. I think मैं ये बहुत बोल चुकी हूँ और बोलती रहती हूँ, and thank you yet again for giving me this platform to say it again. HPV vaccine है, please उसे use करें. It's a mandatory vaccination for the girls in India. Soon it should become for boys as well. And it's the biggest step that our finance minister has taken. Hats off to the government of India, which is why now it's not the most common cancer. Unfortunately, breast cancer has become the most common cancer, and we're hoping research is going on at such next speed. Itni jaldi research ho rahi hai. I'm really hoping that a day comes where even before it develops or reaches a certain stage, detection can be done. And as of now, सेल्फ अवेयरनेस शुड बी देयर, सेल्फ एग्जामिनेशन शुड बी देयर। और अपनी बॉडी को लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए, अपने चेंजेस को लाइटली नहीं लेना चाहिए। अर्ली डिटेक्शन इज़ नॉट जस्ट ट्रीटेबल, इट्स क्योरेबल। सो एंड हैट्स ऑफ द women who have gone through it, who are enduring it. Hats off to the families who are supporting these lovely women. I salute all these courageous women. I think it's the biggest thing that has happened. Absolutely, hats off to the government of India. Is the biggest step taken towards the healthcare of women of our country, and it's so important to safeguard their health and their interests. And I absolutely applaud and salute this effort. Free vaccination HPV is available. When the doctor says whatever the mandatory age is, whether it's 12, 13, 14, whatever the doctor says, please go get this vaccination to your daughters. It's very, very important for their survival. One day HPV will be eradicated from the face of the earth, and we are hoping towards the same. I think जो आज का मोटो है साहस, संस्कृति और सेवा, ये एक इंटेग्रल पार्ट मेरी फिल्म का भी रह चुका है, बट इन अ वेरी लाइट हार्टेड जोन। शर्मा जी की बेटी को बहुत बहुत प्यार, बहुत रिस्पेक्ट मिली। इट गॉट लॉट ऑफ स्टैंडिंग ओवेशंस एट डिफरेंट फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स। इट्स अवेलेबल ऑन प्राइम वीडियो। इट्स अ वेरी लाइट हार्टेड फिल्म. It's about women, and I love women, and I love anyone who takes steps towards their safeguarding their interests. तो फिल्म को देखिए, हंसिए, and yes, there's lots more coming up, but I shall let you know more about it when it's concrete. I love men, I love women, but wherever there are going to be women in my film, they'll just not be a lampshade. They'll have more to add to the film and to the scene.